Stakeholders and types. What is financial accounting? It is a structured record of financial activities of a business that defines the position of a business, person, or other entity. We all know that the main objective of the business is to provide important financial information to the investors, stakeholders, so that they are well informed about the position of the organization while taking business decisions. Who is a stakeholder? A stakeholder is the person who has interest vested in the business. They get impacted by the various decisions in the organization. The stakeholders can be internal and external depending upon the financial information they require from business. The stakes of the stakeholder can be divided as monetary or non-monetary, active or passive, direct or indirect. Let us discuss the internal and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders. Let us discuss the internal users of a business. Current owners. They want to invest in the business for growth of the business. They like to know the assets and liabilities of a business and paying capacity of the business, profit of the business before making any investment in it. Manager. They are employees of the business that work on behalf of owner. They work in the business to learn and to succeed in their careers. Their duty is to know about the profit and loss of the business and the financial position of the business because their promotion, appraisal depends upon that. External stakeholders. Government. A government specifies the rules for that a business needs to follow and make sure that they work for public interest. A government is interested whether the tax is paid to the government on time, whether rights of the investors are protected, what is the profitability of the business. Prospective owners. He has not invested in the business but can investment in the business for money making. He is interested in knowing the financial stability of the business, last year's profits, and what the chances of future growth are. Banks. Banks provides loans to business, so they want to ensure the timely payment of principal and interest. They want to know the profits of the business and liquid assets of the business before lending loans.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.